What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Jeep Grand Cherokee remote key fob. This Jeep Grand Cherokee key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using is a flathead screwdriver. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release here that my thumb's on, and the key will pull out like that. We can just set that to the side. I'm going to grab my screwdriver and I'm going to hold my key fob with the buttons facing down. And if we take a look at the bottom of it, this is the slot here that the key slid out of. Then just below that, we see this slot right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. What I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that notch like that, as far as in as it will go. Then just twist the screwdriver like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, you can see it starts to open the case. Go ahead and pull the case open the rest of the way like that. In the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. I'll grab the screwdriver and use it to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder. Then I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing the new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first down here near this metal battery clip. Tuck that edge in first, then snap it down into place. Then we can snap the two halves of the case back together. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.